Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Chevy Silverado radio. First, try a soft reset by turning off your truck, opening the driver's door for a minute, then closing it and restarting. This often clears minor glitches. Next, locate your fuse box, usually under the hood or dashboard, and inspect the radio fuse. A blown fuse is a common culprit. If these don't work, disconnect your battery for about 15 minutes to fully reset the electrical system. Remember to have your radio code handy if needed. If the basic fixes don't resolve the issue, it's time for deeper diagnostics. Carefully remove your radio to inspect the wiring harness connections. Look for any loose wires or signs of corrosion that might be interrupting power or signal. You can also use a multimeter to test the speaker outputs. This helps pinpoint if a specific speaker is causing problems. As a last resort before professional help, try performing a factory reset through your radio's settings menu, which can clear software conflicts. Many common radio problems have straightforward solutions. If you have no sound, ensure your amplifier, if present, is powered and all speaker connections are secure. Intermittent power often points to a loose ground wire or a faulty power cable connection to the radio. For display issues, first check if there are any available software updates for your radio system. Sometimes, a loose ribbon cable behind the display can also cause problems, requiring careful reseating. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, a professional touch is needed. If you suspect complex electrical issues, internal component failure, or if you're uncomfortable with advanced diagnostics, it's best to consult a certified technician. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and repair intricate problems. Alternatively, if your original radio is beyond economical repair, consider exploring aftermarket upgrade options for enhanced features and sound quality. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.